Before we start the exercise, let's do one or two examples, children, just to make the concepts clear. To convert a fractional ratio into a whole number ratio, like it is given, children, 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 4. Now convert this ratio into simplest form. There are two methods, children. First, see this one. Can you see 1 upon 3? Now remove this is to sign and put a multiply sign and take 4 up and 1 down. Means reciprocal this 1 upon 4. Like we used to do in case of division. We remove the divide sign and we put a multiply sign and we reciprocal the second term. Because we are doing what? We are dividing the first quantity by the... Actually, we are dividing the first quantity by the second quantity. So the answer is 4 upon 3. And then one more method is there, children. Alternative method. It says take the LCM of the denominators, that is 3 and 4, and then multiply each term of the ratio by this LCM. Like the LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. Okay. You can take in a rough column. 3 and 4 LCM is 12. Now multiply this 1 upon 3 with 12 and is to sign. Then 1 upon 4 with 12. And now 3 4s are 12 and 4s are 12. Answer is same. Similarly, you can do these ones. And like this, a mixed fraction is given. First, simplify this. Then after doing the same thing, like 4 4 16 1, 17 upon 4, 12 on the 12 and 1, 13 upon 12. Okay, then do what? Take the LCM of 4 and 12 and then multiply it with each of the terms, antecedent and consequent, and you will get the answer. Similarly, there are 3 terms over here. Again the same process will go. 3 1s are 3 1, 4 upon 3, 2 4s are 8, 1 9 upon 4, like this. Then take the LCM of 3, 4 and 6, and whatever the LCM comes here, it is coming 12. So multiply all 3 terms with 12 and you will get the simplest answer. You will get the final ratio. Now to divide a given quantity into a given ratio. Now we have started with the problems. Okay. 20 sweets are distributed between A and B in the ratio 2:3. How many does each get, children? Now A and B get sweets in the ratio 2:3. So if A gets 2 parts, then B is getting 3 parts. Okay. Total parts are 5 parts are there, 5 equal parts, and A will get 2 out of that and B will get 3 out of... A will get 2 out of that and B will get 3. Now A will get 2 out of what? 2 out of 5 parts of the total number of sweets, and the total number of sweets is 20. So A is getting 2 parts out of 5 parts from 20. Of what? 20. So 5 4s are 20 and 2 4s are 8. So A is going to get 8 sweets and B will get 3 parts out of total 5 parts of what? Of total number of sweets, that is again 20. So B is going to get 12 sweets. Okay. So, and one method is this, that don't write so many sentences, just write 2 by 5 into 20 and B will get 3 upon 5 into 20 and you'll get the answer. Divide rupees 260 among A, B and C in the ratio 1 upon 2 is to 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 4. Again, first convert the given ratio into simplest form. Take the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. It is coming 12. Multiply with 12 each of them. You will get 6 is to 4 is to 3. Now add the ratio. That is 13. Now A will get 6 upon 13 of 260. Of means multiply. Calculate it. Then B 4 upon 13 of 260. Then 80. Then C will get 3 upon 18 of 260. 13 2s are 26 and 23s are 60. Like this, will calculate and write the answer. I hope these examples are clear. Now in my next video, I'll be starting with the exercise. Okay. Please go through the examples one more time yourself. Thank you.